In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new template on List Perfectly by duplicating a current listing into a template. If you don't have templates set up on List Perfectly, this is a very quick and easy way to set them up instead of starting from scratch. When you're in your catalog, go to a listing that you would like to create a template from. And over here on your three buttons here for Edit, Add Template, and Duplicate, you're going to click the Add Template button. And it's going to create a template for you directly from that listing. So everything is filled in based on what that listing had. And then you can adjust it to what you need to be more ambiguous and more generic moving forward, to just use it as a basic template. If you have an item that you list all the time, if you have multiple quantities of an item or a replenishable item, you can just keep everything that copies over with it. If I had a supplier that gave me 1,500 Fiesta Blue Tyrannosaurus Rexes every month, I could duplicate my template and just save it as is, and every time I got more of these dinosaurs in, I would be able to quickly and efficiently list them. So this is just an even easier way to create templates right on List Perfectly. And we all know that templates can streamline your processes and just speed you up and make you more productive overall.